Yummy!
Honey, I see you looking at me. I'm ready to go with you with want me.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will show our presentation in Agri 5, the General Biochemistry. But before we start, I will introduce myself first. I am Regina Ecostan, together with my group.
I am Christian Narvaez-Jarca.
And I am Paul-Star Minuego the Quartz.
And now we can start. Our presentation is all about the chemistry of our favorite food, the leche flan.
Leche flan is a rich Filipino baked custard dessert with layer of smooth caramel made with egg yolks, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla. And it is a popular dessert especially during the celebrations.
And now, for today's video, we will explore the role of carbohydrates, vitamins, and lipids of leche flan. Carbohydrates in leche flan, primarily from sugar and milk, provide sweetness and contribute to its texture. Sugar caramelizes, creating the distinct top layer. While lactose from milk adds to creamy consistency, they are also key energy source.
Leche flan also contains lipids. Lipids, mainly from egg yolks and milk, give leche flan its rich, creamy texture and smooth mouthfeel. They also contribute to its delicate flavor and help emulsify the other ingredients.
And then, leche flan offers vitamins, egg boost, A, D, B, and choline. So, vital provision, bones and cells and brain health. Milk adds B vitamins and some A and D, supporting energy and immunity. So, enjoy in the moderation for this sweet and benefits.
Alright guys, ever wonder what happens after that spoonful of leche flan? Let's dive into digestion and metabolism. Digestion, our body's breakdown of flan into usable parts. Carbs get the saliva treatment, proteins and fat meet stomach acids, and the small intestines grabs all those sweet nutrients.
Metabolism, the magic happens. Carbs become energy, fats fuels up, proteins rebuild, and vitamins keep us running smoothly. Yummy!
That's
That's all guys, thank you for watching!